Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to set up Gmail SMTP server by the simplest way. It is a very easy and simple process and it's work on your local server, example as Jam or VAM. It is also work on your online server. If you're using online website, that also work on that. It is a very easy and simple. You can use your Gmail account to send your emails to your client and any website or from local account. That is very easy and simple by the SMT server on Gmail account. That is very easy. First, we just log in to our Gmail account, log into your Gmail account. After that, here we find our logo. Here is our profile logo. Click at here, profile logo. Here we find manage your Google account. Click on manage your Google account. Here, click on the security. Click on the security. Here, scroll down and find two-step verification. It is off, then on it. If it's off, then on it. Click on get started. Here, enter your password. Enter your password. Type your password and click on the next. Here we add our mobile number. Add your mobile number and click on the text messages or phone call. I click on the text messages and click on the next option. It's asked for the code. Code is sent to your phone. Just add that code at here. Add your code and click on the next. Click on turn on. Our two-step verification is now added. If you find at this point app password, not a password, app password at here, then click on there. If you not find app password at here, then click on here, search, and here type app password. And here we find app password and security. Click on app passwords. Add your app name. Give any name that you like. I am testing this app, so I type test my app or my website or any name that you like and click on the create. And it's create a password. Generate an app password. Copy this. Make sure save this password anywhere that you want. This password is show one time. After that, it is not show to anybody, include you. It is show one time. Copy this password. It is an IMP. Copy this password. Control C or right click and copy this and click on the done. After that, our Google process is done. Go to the back. After that, I go to the SMT test tool. It is an SMT test tool. You can also use in your website. In next video, I will show you how to use this server in the website. In this server, I just test my email is sending to my website or the other Gmail account or other email account. That is the purpose of this video. In here, in SMT tool, SMT server, type the smtgmail.com .gmail.com. In port is the 465. In ATO, go to the SSL or TLS SSL. In username, give the username. I give my username. In this case, this is our username or our website or Gmail name. Give the password. In this case, this is our password. Make sure these spaces are removed. Remove these spaces from this password and copy from here to here. It is on my test email ID. Paste it. And from here, paste this email ID. And I want to send this email to this email ID. Okay. And click on the test it. And here we find our email ID is sent. I go to my website. In website, here we find our new email. Here is the new email to this email ID. This is my email ID, Anu. And here is my name and gmail.com. And it is on my new email from my SMT server. You can configure this in your website also. I show in the next video how to configure SMT Gmail server on your website. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.